We're using a hole saw drill bit on my Craftsman drill right here. I already picked out the size. I practiced with some cardboard for the candle sizes. I wanted them a little snug, but just so they fit in perfect. Be sure to have your PPE, your safety glasses. It does throw a lot of wood shavings everywhere when you do this. And then kind of just see what side you want. This one's darker, this one's nicer. It's also beveled up, so I like the beveled up side for the candles. Just using my power saw right here as a workbench. I don't have a workbench, so this portable works well. I have a longer piece here I'm going to be cutting up with this, and then probably should have my earplugs out here for that, but it'll be quick. So I think this piece I want to do 3. So we're going to just do 3. I had the other ones pre-marked, but I think I can just figure it out for now. It's quite easy. Just go in the depth of the bit, which is pretty much the depth of the candle. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Cool. One done. This piece actually came from my one friend's barn. It's pretty cool. It's kind of marked, so I'm going to keep that as a face up side. Might give this to them as a gift. You know, something. So this one's kind of long. Might do 4 on this one. I like how the 3 ones are turning out, but cool. 2, 5. Odd numbers make it look better. It's like a rolling art. And if not, cool little spice rack with some glass jars. Put them in there, lay that out. Salt and pepper shakers. This one I thought would be kind of cool. It's more of a live edge piece, bottom's shaved, so cool to have a couple on top. This one looks like a 3 to me. Start here. Do one maybe right here, and one up here. Whoa! Different heights, so we'll just drill this one in a little bit more. Maybe it'll be a 2. Do something cool here. I think the neighbors are having a party for their one kid, so a lot of people were driving by, so I keep waving if you see. Also, my dogs are running around here, so I'll keep an eye out for them. Cool. I like it. Maybe this one I'll stagger. Do a little zigzag pattern. Might look different, unique. And like that, my battery's dead. So we'll end that piece right there. Maybe I would stain something up here. Might look cool. There's a nail hanging out here, kind of unique. Might pop that out. Kind of a safety hazard. But yeah, that's about it for now. This is one of the first ones I made. Show you what they kind of look like. So it's about a wrap on these projects today. I have a couple other ones I want to work on. That was a lot of fun. I really wanted to get those done so I could give some gifts out to some people. I think they'll love them, especially the one that was from my friend's barn. I think that'll be like kind of sentimental. But other than that, it's a glorious morning in God's country, and my dogs are passed out and asleep, so they're ready for a midday nap. So we're gonna clean up here and probably head in and chill out for a little.